Put some garlic in your ear and you won't believe the results. You've certainly never thought of doing it. But when you find out why, I bet you'll rush to do it. It's a very simple trick, but I can assure you that it will be very useful. Garlic is an edible plant that grows in many places around the world. It is widely used as a seasoning and for food. But what many people don't know is that the use of garlic goes far beyond that, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Before I tell you what putting garlic in your ear is for, I'm going to show you some other uses for garlic. They will also be very useful. Fights acne and pimples. Garlic's antifungal, antibacterial, and antiseptic properties help fight the bacteria that cause pimples. To do this, grind the garlic and then dilute it in water. Then apply the paste to the desired area and leave it on for a few minutes. Then rinse off. You'll see a big improvement in pimples. Get rid of dandruff. This problem is quite common, and anyone who suffers from dandruff knows how difficult it is. So garlic could be your solution. All you need to do is grate 4 cloves of garlic, then add a spoonful of olive oil. Once this is done, leave it to stand for a day or two at room temperature. After this time, apply the mixture all over your hair, including your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash as normal. The dandruff will disappear. Improves cold symptoms. Chop up a clove of garlic and put it in hot water for 5 minutes. Then strain the mixture and drink it. This is a powerful natural syrup and will help reduce those annoying cold symptoms. Now that you know the other useful uses of garlic, I'm going to show you why you should put garlic in your ear. All you have to do is take 2 cloves of garlic and chop them. Then add them to a frying pan along with a spoonful of olive oil. Leave this mixture on a high heat until golden brown. When it's done, you can turn off the heat. Now take the liquid and put it in a container. When it is cooled, dip a cotton pad in the liquid and place it in your ear for 3 minutes. This will get rid of earaches, which are usually caused by inflammation or infection. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers and see you in the next video.